timelines shifting. So we're dealing with discernment, we're dealing with redefinition, reshaping. And what exactly? Well, we can think about our lives, we can think about the state of the world, we can think about any levels, from very small habits that you're doing and bigger through purpose. Sun and Mercury opposing Saturn in Pisces and Neptune in Aries mirrors this by testing which structures dissolve and which can be rebuilt. What is real? Shall we have more lies uncovered? Can those lies be inside of ourselves covering painful truths? Are you still behind the veil of what is showing what reality really is? Are you ready to go and confront yourself with all the courage that you don't know you have? The eclipse chart mirrors civilization itself. It calls us to refine detail into wholeness. It asks us to stay attentive to what is essential as structures tremble. With that level of awareness, will you leave 2025 behind? This year, 2025, is a 9 universal year: completion, endings, release, universal compassion. Enter the new reset year, 2026 equals 1. Beginnings, individuality, initiative, leadership, independence. The eclipse closes that cycle. The day after comes the equinox, the balance point of light and dark. In numerology, this is the vibration of the two, the number of polarity and harmony, reminding us that every ending, 9, requires equilibrium before the new beginning, 1, that every reset is born through balance. So I couldn't think of a better way to start this, thinking about the solar eclipse as a way to redefine ourselves. And for that, I want to go back to history, and I want to go back to philosophy, and I want to go back to the basics, because sometimes if we ground ourselves in logic, maybe we can start rethinking at different levels. And I keep thinking to myself, when we want to attack a system that doesn't work, a government or a state that intervenes with private property and takes away rights, is it not important for us to understand how the system was constituted? What in its foundation of principles makes it impede our ability to stand for our own rights? This is why I'm delving into politics in the sense of true civics, not the partisan game of the present, but the deeper study of how nations, rooted in nature and in principles, first constitute themselves in organized institutions, and how, over time, these have eroded into a state of dependency and even dead slavery through their monetary systems that are corrupted, inflated, and debasing our time.